Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily scan to Google Drive on your Canon TS8351a. So first, we need to open the Canon Cloud Printing Center site. Now basically the address is the cs.c-ij.com. After that, select the Google Drive. If you don't have it connected, then there's a tutorial on our channel on how to connect Google Drive to either print or scan. Now let's go over and click scan. And here we can select the output. So let's select my drive. Now click next. And here we can select the source. So I'll always use the auto scan, and we can also change the orientation like portrait or landscape. And it's basically all up to your preference. So after you set it all up, then simply click scan and it should start scanning very quick. So you should wait like a minute or two depending on how much you scan, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.